No, it was good. I don't think it'll
Off the ceiling. That was pretty close though. It came right to me. Good aim.
Here comes another one.
There's pieces of it on the ceiling. That was
faulty
terrible.
takeoff. Do you want to try it?
Okay. Do you guys hate this game? Ready? Tell me when you're going.
I'm on my wall.
Okay, I'm just gonna go back to the second.
I'm gonna call my dad real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Go.
Oh, a little too far.
Do you want to come look at the wall? No.
You're so close. You hit right here and then there.
This is like an extreme sport. I thought I would do that, but I'm not.
Oh! Did you get it?
All over.
Flashed on me. Almost.
Okay, this is it. I can feel it.
Okay, go.
Good job. Okay, come look at the wall.